Okie dokie. Looks like it's working. I just need my computer. I need my computer. Come on. Perfect. Ooh, that's nope. Yep. I want. Let's do it here. I want Hypermon, and I want open this view. Woo. And I want Hypermon, apply, voila, better. Save, quit, excellent. So now here I could do Twitch. So I have a chat. So I have a chat around here. And I want to go stream manager. Let's try if CB is here.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Serdy, how are you? Even CB is happy to see you. How are you? How are you? I'm a bit late today.
Bonjour. Hi.
Does that work for you? Can you hear it? Was it working for you, my friend? So I could do this. And I could do... I was working on the... I'm late a little bit. I was planning to stream at the top of the hour, but I was working on this demo.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Bonjour, hi. Can you hear it? Oh, I feel like the audio is not working. Ah, is it what you're trying to tell me? Every stream needs his load of issue, right? But it is working, so is it... Am I still live? Testing, testing. So look like my mic is working, but the music is not. If I do this, it doesn't look like it's working very well. So you can hear the music now? Oh, I can hear myself. Oh my God, this is not fun. It is still live. Okay, that was your. Okay. So it should output in the stream mix. I still have an error here and I cannot. Why there's always issues? That's not fun. No music. Yeah, for me neither. Oh, let's just restart. Can you hear? Oh, that. If I do this. Can you hear the windows bling bling? Let's try to see if now I start Spotify. Okay, now can you hear some music? I think no. Now it should work, right? Interesting. Okay, let's go for this now. I think now you hear music. Still no music? Oh, like there's a delay, so let's wait. I mean, you can have music on your side. Oh no, it failed again. Trying to automate some stuff and it's just not working for me. Unsupported. Okay, let's focus on today's planning. We're working on a new app today. And I don't know how we should call it. I'm very disappointed that Be My Eyes okay, well, so we are on the 1, we are in the 2, so let's go on the 3. So I want to make an app. that will still use Reka Vision stuff for analyzing videos. So why do you still see that? If I change scenes, okay, like this, like that. Okay, so now it follows. So it was, oh, maybe because I disconnected. What else? Did I lose CB? No. Cool. Yeah, okay. So I want to build an app that will analyze videos, search through videos, but like with a security angle, and then we'll use that to implement the SDK, because we have already, I did already an app. If I go to Reka research here, oh, could I change it? I don't want to change it. Not the, like, we need the Reka SDK, but that's not what I was thinking about. I want to work on that, but maybe Friday. API examples.net. So we did the video analyzer, but I think what we could do, this one was just taking URLs. So one thing that could be interesting is if we were uploading video, and it will do more focus on the searching, and maybe we could also add photo. So we need a project name. We need a project name. Yeah. So that's my web. Let's open VS Code here. Let's close this. What is this notebook mark? If we do this, and let's ask AI for it. So I could say, I was about to say geek, but I'm not sure. I want geek name. I think I can find those. Real Rover, Flick, find Vid Voyager. Oh, Vid Video Voyager, Clip Crawler. Oh, Scene Sniffer. That's good. Zapzess, Video Vista, Cine Snoop, Epic Eyes. Epic eyes, epico. Feel like a song. Flux, Lotch Lasso. I cannot even say it. That's not a good one. Motion Magnet. Well, that's, since we have a security vibe to it, that could be cool. Snip Safari, Giggle Google, Digger. The Drama Digger. Feel like Gold Digger. Sizzle Search, Cine Scout. I think I like the Scene Sniffer. Sniff? That's Sniffer, right? Snifter? It's Sniffer? Is my English all screwed up? Or Zapzess? Nah. The Clip Crawler is also good. The Frame Fisher. Oh, I like that. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Whoop, okay. Let's do the Frame Fisher. So, let's Frame Fisher. That's what it will be. Okay, let's go here. Let's go in my repository. Let's create a new repository. And I will be the owner, and we'll call that all lowercase. Frame Fisher. Right? That's how you spell it. Did I do a typo? We'll never know. Fisher. Right? I feel like I'm missing a letter. The Fisher. Oh, it's not like a fisherman? Oh, it's fisherman? A fisher? Fisher? Frame Fisher. Okay, we'll do that public. We'll no readme for now. Oh, like, yeah, okay, let's add a readme. Let's not add a git ignore. We'll do this with the .NET. Let's create that. Maybe I need a reboot. Even on my Stream Deck, I see a warning. Where is drop? Oh, here. I don't see your friends also, sorry them. So I'm not the only one having tech issue today. So Frame Fisher, like, is it how it was spelled?
Bonjour.
Hey GT. Hi. How are you? Just in time. We're just getting started. We just create a new project. Did I do a typo here? I feel like I did. It's Frame Fisher. Is it how it's supposed to be spelled? Like you're fishing frames. Like looking for something. That would be better. Maybe the typo was in my glasses. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. I can hear. Okay. Is it how you spell Fisher, like Frame Fisher here? Okay, cool. I don't know. Maybe it was in my glasses, the typo. Why we lost music again? Oh, man. Is it just super low or? Oh, I lost it. But you, oh, because I pushed this. Okay. Okay, so we are in business. Come on, mouse. My mouse is here. Come on, mouse. Okay, now we have a mouse. I can do this, so it's, so let's go here. Let's clone this project. Was your week, Mr. Sum? Mr. GT? Okay, so now we have our project, but it's empty, but that's fine. So now we could go here, we could... Cool, so now we need a project. So I guess... Not sure I have all the greatest and latest of Blazor Fluent UI. You had some snow yesterday? That's cool. Where are you based again? Northeast of US, right? Like in the mountain? I forgot where you're based. Sorry, like maybe it's not that at all. Central Mass. Mass for Massachusetts? No. Like Mass US, you mean? It was snowing earlier today, just like a trace. Just like, you know. Yeah, let's go Fluent. Should I use something else than Fluent UI? I feel like I really like that, but maybe I should use something else so it doesn't look all the time. Okay, it could use Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Exactly. That's how I said it, right? I think I will continue to use the Fluent UI. I forgot, there was another one that was popular called Mud or something like that. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, MudBlazer. Do you know it? Oh, is it free though? Because we could just try it just for fun, right? Why not? Let's do that. Cool. So now we want to do a server. So if we go here, I definitely want a source folder though. So maybe I should do make dir src and cd into it. And then we could paste this and it will be called frame fisher. Like that. Oh wait, did I saw .NET 9? I mean, I can close this now. And I can close you. Project. Oh, wait. Is it compatible with .NET 10? I'm assuming, yes. But, so why is it? Oh, I closed it. I was like, where is my terminal? Frank, you closed it. But if I do .NET dash info, yeah, interesting. Well, it's not too bad. I'm just looking to try different things. Cool. So let's clean this. Let's try .NET build. I don't know if because I had issue with my laptop when I was trying to install stuff, and I don't remember if I did successfully install the .NET outdated. So it did compile. Because there's, oh yeah, okay, there's this version 8 though. Let's try .NET, forgot, is it outdated like this? Okay, no outdated dependency. That's good. Excellent. Okay, so now, so next, the mod file, well, it should be there, right? Oh, see, like, see, just .NET 9. So maybe it's not yet in .NET 10. One thing I could do also is maximize our screen view here. Like this. Okay, you know what, let's run it. Yeah. I hate when it does that. Like, yeah, like there's no, yeah. Come on. It's C#. I don't think we'll need I guess frame fisher default configuration. We won't need, should I use Aspire? I don't think I need Aspire. That would be cool because I would be able to containerize it. Okay, cool. What is that? Oh, cool. So it's already there. It's not bad. Okay, I can work with that. I can work with that. I think it's cool. So, let's stop this. And let's close that. So, if we open the source here, one thing I will need is to have a service to go for Reka. And I think what I could do is, to save time, just copy the service we had in the video analyzer project. Oh, one thing we also need. Interesting. So why? Oh, that's why. Okay, so let's Control K F. No, Control K F. And let's reopen. But because I did open in the source, so that's why I didn't have the GitHub repo and stuff. That's why I didn't notice. Because yeah, 673. So let's fix that before I forget. And maybe we will do our first push. So let's do a .NET new ignore git ignore. Right, so that now should go down 17. That's more like it. Yeah, so Surly stuff are not working today. I'm not sure why. Okay, so we have our git ignore. So let's do it's MudBlazer, right? And voila. Holla. Yay! Took you oh, let's took you like 2 shots? Only 2 tried today, yeah. Cool. Let's close that. And I wanted to open another Visual Studio. And I think what I will do is, though I could bring them side by side. Yeah, let's do that. So if I move you to 3 and I open, there they are. DJ, sorry. Hello. And Chris is there. Oh no, Chris Binney. Oh man, so many friends. So many friends. Like, they all drop like... Oh yeah, and I started the... So you fixed your friends? They were not working at the beginning. Okay, I want to, let's open the folder. I want to open the, oh, I don't have them? I don't have that folder here. Let's go back to here. Let's reopen new. For some reason, my speaker start working again. Well, yesterday I was playing, and at the end of my game, it kind of like didn't work, and I fixed it, but I see an error on my Stream Deck, so I'm guessing like I should reboot too. Okay, so I want to clone a repo, and it's the... Oh yeah, before I do that though, let's make sure I have the latest version. So I want this one, but I want to do it through my usage. My branch is up to date. Perfect. So let's do that. Cool. Because once... Oh, what was that? If I do this, probably fix the... How was your week, Mr.? I think you had a lot of appointments this week. Is everything going well? I'm not sure if you want to talk about it on the stream, so though, like, we're not... I don't have 10,000 people following me. But feel free to dodge the question. So in the video analyzer, that's kind of the same thing I want to do, but I thought it would be fun to do it like with Mud instead of the Blazor UI, since I never try it. But I know we'll need a service, and all those classes will have to add them into the SDK also. So I think we can move this here. In the program file, we could also probably, here I was adding the custom service. Yips. Why this one is so big? Right, so we need this here. And I guess we'll have to change the namespace. So I want you to change everywhere. Replace. Okay. Have 3 from 2. 1 still waiting feedback, and 1 new one tomorrow morning. But it's a company in a sector I don't particularly want to working over. Okay. You're in fire, GT. You're in fire, man. So video doesn't exist? Man. There's a lot of friends. Oh, I think I will push some. Oh, maybe not. I thought I was going fast, but not that fast. Yeah. So, oh, I have other class in the domain. Okay, let's move some here. I guess here they also need the new. Oh, it doesn't like this. Oh, it didn't like the frame fisher, like with the. Replace everywhere and then replace this. Oh no, I want to replace it. Damn it, Frank, come on, follow. Yeah, I guess you're right. Oh, so this one still go kind of like transparent, but not that one because I apply the. So if I do this now, okay, now both are never transparent. Interesting. Okay, learning the feature of my distro. So video now. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. Voila. Cool. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh yeah, we need the component. Also, what? No, it shouldn't be component though. Why was component? It shouldn't be component. There was component. Why did we need component? We need service. Services. Yeah. Why did we need component here? I don't think we needed. Anyway. Okay. Do we need something else? So I think this guy can move. Let's move him to further. Okay, so now we can start. So if we go in the layout, I guess we'll have we could just reuse those. We'll call it video. Be super original. Or the fisher, the frame fisher, the watcher, the goggles, the fishing, the rod. Now the rod could be interpreted badly, right? Or fishing rod. Search, let's put search. And I will keep weather for now, but I don't need it. Let's comment it. And here we'll do search. And do you have a search icon? Look like it. Cool. So though it needs to be lowercase. Voila. So now we need a new page. And let's call it let's copy that one. Let's call it search. Cool. So now it's search for us. How do I get the emote stuff? I was about to add a fishing rod. Yay! So many digital friends are landing. High score! High score! That's how you do it, guys. Should be like this. Boom. Yep. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Just like in the middle. 94. Booyah. Why that little game procure me so much fun? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's cool that we use that page because then we have an example of like the code. I am also friend with Raf. It's true. And I told you, Maya also is working on our new emote. Do I have Discord installed on that? Let me just... Let's go here for a second. Let me share it again. That's what's coming. So they will be animated. So we'll have like CB waving and stuff like that, and we'll have like a kind of like the digital version and the not digital version of like the cloud, and they say bonjour, hi. I think here, because bonjour was too long, because you know in tiny it was hard to see it. So I think what she's planning to do is like here the bonjour will be animated in 2 sections, so we bon and then jour. Yeah. That looks cool, right? Yeah, so let's go back to the code. So we have search. So now what we need to do is really... Well, first we also need an app settings to put the key there. How did I do it in the other one? Who's landing? So many people are landing. I think that's the thing, right? Because we are so many, like there's always someone landing. So here I have the Reka API key that go there. So after login, I think it was here. You see all the snowmen everywhere. Yeah, I think there were a little bit more, but still. And then on our page, what we did, component and page, and I guess it was the video manager. But like we didn't, how did we get the key? We didn't do it in the program. It was in the service we did it. On initialize, we're going to fetch the video and we just add the video. Right? So I'll have to put my key here. And here we already have this. Let's put it in comment because in case there's something specific to oh no, mud. And let's fix the key while I'm thinking about it. So this, whoops, whoa. No chat. We'll do this and we'll put it also in app settings. Whoops. Voila. But here I need a key. So now I'll put you in secret mode. Can you hear me now? Yes, I fixed that the other day, I think. And now I need to go in my secret stash. Take my key and in the development area put the key here, do this like that, close this window, and let's copy the word warning. So now if I paste, it's warning. Cool. So now we don't have any trace of my stuff. Cool. So now we could just what's the inject our service. I think though I want to call it little r, and here we'll probably need to use the service before. Excellent. So now we have this. An object, yeah, I need the lower, voila. So the forecast was an array. I can work with array. Get all video. Let's go see this and implementation. Ah, that's where I was going. Cool. So that's when we instantiated a go. Okay, that's cool. Get it. So all video. Instead of a list, maybe we can work with an array. You know, different vibe. different stuff. So instead of a list, let's go video, video array. So here it will be a new video array. Although like I'm always confused when I use video, the array. Because I cannot do that, right? I need to put how many. Can I do this? Why there's two of them? Like, so I cannot do this. Well, let me do this. Cool. So now we'll have video. So we can change our mud table. So here it will be video. And it will be videos. So now it's videos, if my videos, cool. So the header, oh, I need to specify the header. So the header, I guess it will be, the title will be the first. And then, what else did we have that could be interesting? I think we have the thumbnail, right? We have the URL. That's the URL if we want to watch it. I thought I had or maybe it's in metadata. Yeah, I have thumbnail. So thumbnail is what? So I think thumbnail is the URL. So we could do this. And this will be, how do you display an image again? I need to think about everything. EMG, and then, no, EMG. Oh, mud image. And then SRC, cool. And I think this will be what we're looking for. So now I need to close it though, like this. I don't know what I'm doing. Oops. Oops. Okay. I guess we could have like a URL or a description maybe. Or maybe we don't. Maybe that's good enough. Or maybe let's do something. So context dot URL, and we'll put that in. I'm guessing there's mud anchor. mudlink, and I'm guessing there's a target. We'll call it blank, and then it's h this, then we'll pass that into that thing, and we can close it, right, like this. And yeah, let's keep it that way for now. And here it will be, oh, but no, in fact it will be I don't know. So yeah, oh yeah, that's what I want. So yeah, so link, and then okay, like this. So now I have 3 columns, so I could remove that one. 1, 2, 3, voila. So initial direction ascending. So why don't you like? Oh, because it could be null. Okay. Ooh, fancy. So the okay, weather forecast. So for us, it will be video, object, x dot, and it was title. Voila. DJ Sardi. And it can be null. So then if it's null, put empty string. Okay, let's put string dot empty. Cool. And for the 2 others, are they sortable? I don't think it should be sortable, right? Doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, but it says more sortable label. Okay, so no, I don't want at all the label. Let's put thumbnail and link here. Cool. So we have that. So now, yes, it doesn't like this because it's not a list of video, it's an array now. We're messing around with arrays. Though it cannot be null, right? I don't think we need it to be also as queryable. So just like that. Dot empty? What is that? Because so I have a domain. I have. Wait, what? So that's my domain. Oh, did I do in the service? Oh, I didn't implement in the, I guess here I'm missing the change. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. This, okay, so that one is fixed. That one. Should I just return null? I mean, it can be null, so let's put null. I don't know why I'm like forcing myself to put something. More digital friends landed. So we don't need the forecast class anymore. And now I think I'm good. I could clean that. That's complaining because of this, voila. I think we're good to give it a try. What do you think? Let's try it. Will I do that every time? Oh, I should work in, I should work with the, I'll say it eventually. You know, the other tool. I have a blank writer. So look like we still have errors. Oh yeah, I'm not in Chris Binney just landed. I don't get it. It worked before and now it's not working, though. Now I open the project, so it says that frame Fisher. Oh, because that's with a, we need to change it. Okay, and the solution is not spelled correctly. Okay, let's fix that. Let's go and I don't like that solution name is weird also. So let's close this solution. Let's change the name of the solution. How do we call it? Frame Fisher? Or definitely not SRC. Do we call it solution? Do we call it fish? Let's call it Frame Fisher. Frame Fisher. Cool. And now we can reopen it. And here, that's the problem. It's lower. Dash lower. And the project was also, whoops, that. So I don't know why it put capitals. That's weird. I mean, I don't mind if you call it like that, but it should be called like this. Convert it to the new. Oh yeah, that could be also a thing. Is there like a convert? I should have asked since the beginning, right? You think? I trust you. Let's just see before. Okay, you know what? I should trust you because you helped me so many times. But I'm also curious to see. What? So the type namespace app could not be found. Oh, if we go in the project, it did call it like this, the root namespace, so I guess we could change it for this. Oh, I mean, that's why maybe the... oh, should I change it for like with the underscore? But I don't like an underscore in my namespace. Oh, the both file will still be there? Okay. Well, let's fix that because I want to make sure like it converts stuff correctly. So I was about to change the default namespace. Whoops. I want to do it. I'm doing it. That's for sure. TBD, not TBD. GT. Sorry. So I could change this. I don't need that anymore. So that's cool. I guess we'll still have some errors. Yeah, tons. Oh yeah, because in the import, I have this. Okay. Okay, so now we're back to the app. So I forgot where the app is. I don't get it. Or maybe that's why it needed the component stuff at the top. Something like this. No. Oh yeah, okay, what's that? Okay, cool. I was too heavy on my cleaning earlier. The cryptographer landed. The sturdy dev landed. But surely, like you're doing it on automation, an automated way. So let's just do like a draft for video list. Boom. So now we can clear that. Can I make it a little? What? Okay. So now, do I still have that in my clipboard? Yes. So .NET SLN migrate. Oh yeah, it's true. So just like that. Interesting. Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. What? So instead of all this, it's this? Just a little bit. You're serious? So why did we need all the rest? Oh, it's for Visual Studio and stuff? Should I keep it? I mean, I will never open it in Visual Studio, but maybe someone will do. Like I'm assuming the new file is also supported, right? I missed that part when Mads went on the show this week. Let's remove it. Cool. Okay, so now let's try it. Oh, I should reopen the solution. Cool. And I want to reopen the solution, but here, close this, open this. Yay. And now F5. Oh no! Close the solution, open the solution. Oh, it found automatically the solution, but it doesn't like it. Okay, now it worked. Well, maybe it needed to kind of clean up stuff. Okay. So F5. What? Is Solution Explorer in VS Code doesn't like the you know what? We can try to do this sometime. Sometime it helps. Otherwise, we'll switch to Writer. I think I had it to work. So we could open Frame Fisher. I guess I deleted the file too early. Yeah, look like the extension is not loading. GT. Is it just compatible with Visual Studio, like the new one? It clearly doesn't want to open it on my side.
Yay!
Cool ended. 30 dev again, 38, congrats. Okay, that's weird. Okay, let's go with Rider. Just to see. It's the day of the new stuff. Not new stuff, but please Rider, start. Okay. Got me worried for a little bit. I mean, I will, but at the same time, I did use it in the past, so I'm just I don't know. I think it's weird that it doesn't work. I'm looking for frame. How can I? Okay, if I come on. This is a big window. Open. Yeah. How can I resize that? That way. Okay. Man. It's still very big, but it just go this way. If I do this, okay. We'll get there. Cool.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Shukaru. Hello, ça va bien toi? Project. Well, open. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Doesn't even look like I'm having the focus on that. Did I make it too small now? Plus. And then plus. Okay. If I do open now, you still don't like me, right? What's config? Yeah, the interface is... One thing we could try is to do this. I just opened the file. That's not what I wanted. Okay, well, let's reopen in VS Code. Where are you based, Shukaru? That's a little bit big, right? Okay. We'll have a few new visitor. Hello, my name is... How are you? So home... What? let's restore the page. I'm good, I'm good. We're having fun. Let's go here and just do the reload. It's weird because everything was working fine. I'm not touching anything and just like so oh, there's a glitch with .NET. But I have .NET 10. Like, why are you showing me this if I go and I do list like this? Oh, wait, what? Yeah, no, if I do I think it's because the other are listed here, I think. No, it's .NET. See, they are there. And if I do .NET -- info, well, we saw earlier, like we were able to see like 8, 9, and 10. I did run that command earlier and it was working. And we saw 9 and 10. We even saw that version of the app in .NET 10. Did the version got erased? That make no sense. It did work earlier, and it's saying that. Oh man. I mean, I can reboot, but it's a weird glitch.
if I do cat of my, what's it called again? ZSH RC, right? Oh, what? Oh yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, on this machine I have bash RC. So Aspire here, I have .NET. So it is pointing here. I don't get it. So they are there. So why does it go on the URS folder? Like, why it go there? There I have only the 9. Yeah, maybe when I did open the I can do this, but I don't want to have like multiple .NET. Always forget. It's just S. So now it'll be .NET SDK 10.0. Nope. Yeah, if I do this, no. If I do this and I go with install, if I go package, there's the .NET SDK, but there's no 10. And the .NET SDK itself installed a 9. If I go like this and I install using the OR package, I think for that one there was the SDK 10. No. There isn't. That's why I used the so look like something installed it. Did I miss some chat though? I feel like with there was a lot of chit chat. No, probably something in the pad and then just drop messages. Okay. So could it be that somehow the .NET was installed with Pacman and in the background Linux changed stuff? See now, it's version 10. It's recorded. I will share that with the .NET team. It's impossible. That makes no sense. Now we're back on track. Oh my God. No, it wasn't there. That's why I used the script. Oh, that's weird though. Okay, let's reopen VS Code. This. Man, okay, let's do this. Okay. Let's reopen recent. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Maybe when we run the migrate, it did change something. Like maybe there it checks somewhere and it just kind of like affected my path. I don't know. No, it is still complaining. Oh boy, which one it is though? Oh, maybe that's the thing. So in this one, I'm specifying that's the Visual Studio version. That's not the .NET. No, the .NET are not by solution, right? They are by project. Let's rename that one just for temporary. Let's rename. Let's close the solution. Let's refresh the developer window. And everything was going well, and now it's just kind of like. Wait, what? Setting the JSON configuration error. Ah. Where is it again? The setting in properties, right? Why I'm using my trackpad? What? Setting the JSON configuration error. Opening the solution file is no longer required to work with project. You're setting the JSON conflict. Okay. Where is the setting that JSON file? In properties. Here? No, it's settings. Where is settings? Oh, for like VS Code, right? Opening a solution. Okay, so opening a solution file is no longer required to work with the project. So .NET default solution and the setting conflict with the new experience. Remove it. Save and reload. Okay, so if I go here in the settings, no, how you go to the settings? I got perturbed. Attention, drop. No one landed. Wow. It's my chance. Though, like, it's hard to do better than what I did previously, right? Preferences, settings. Oh, I knew it was a short way. Okay, so now I need to search for this. The path on the default solution to be open. Oh, workspace. Well, how do I set the value? How do I open that file? Where is that file? I have a thing here that says, okay, open your setting.json, delete this, and just like save it. But I don't have it in my project. Oh, wait. Is it the... Why? What's the trick to see all the file? Why don't I see all the file? I want to see all the file. I want to see the dot file. Because I guess if I go, let's stay here, I open the terminal and go cd github slash Frank Fisher, and then I list all the file. There's no setting here. If I go in source, there's still no. No, I still don't have it. The palette, if I take settings, I was there earlier. So app setting, C#, chat, CMake, dev container extension, help settings? No, but that for the sync, preference, configure language, open, user. I scrolled past it? Okay, that's... So that's all Azure app. It's not that. This block here, it's Azure function. That's Azure static web app. That's C++. User setting. This. Thank you, Charlie. Too cool. That's a cool name. Man, okay. Yeah. Okay, so now we need to search for the .NET default solution. Guys, it's not even there. I need to put it back.
I keep pointing at. Oh yeah, but like GT was pointing at it, right? I know everybody is trolling me. It's fine. I'm used to it, guys. I'm used to it. Okay, so I guess I need to add it. Say .NET default solution disable. But I don't want it disable. Also, that should be bash, not ZSH. On this computer at least. Oh, could it be synced? Maybe I shouldn't use the sync. That could be not helping me. No, it says delete that if you have it. No, so I don't. But I still have the error, right? I mean, for some reason, so the extension is trying to read there. What version of the extension? That's a good idea. I like what you're thinking. Okay, so let's delete that. Not delete, but close this. No, I'm still using the trackpad. Version 180.7. I mean, I can disable it and okay, that's the one I want. Okay. Or I switch back the project to .NET 9 for today, so we can make progress. And don't save. And that way, that way, you know, even if we're not .NET 10, that project anyway is not using anything fancy. And even mud thing was just in, so let's do that. Let's do this for now, and I'll figure it out later. Wait, what? Oh. Build. But that was weird because it did work earlier. We did run it. But I think what I will do is I'm syncing my stuff, and I think I will disable the sync, because I'm having the sync in Mac, Linux, and Windows PCs. So I think it's just bad. So I will stop syncing stuff. Maybe that's like it's supposed to be working, but yeah, you know, maybe I'm pushing the limit here. Okay, so now we have yeah, no worry. I'll see you on Friday. Let's close this guy. Let's exit.
Let's, you know what, let's go in the terminal. Interesting, we are already in that folder. Let's make that bigger, right? So if I do this, I can go here. I will try that after. It's a good idea to try. I mean, unable to resolve. But that's in Visual Studio. Let's we'll just switch in English so like everybody can follow. Though I'm not saying everybody's doing it. Where is just English? I'll put that here. So yeah, so that's in the full Visual Studio. But that's weird. Okay, let's try again with, let's try to open Writer. Yeah, I want to open a project, but you don't like my resolution. If I do this and I do Hypermon and I go open, top down, you still don't like it, huh? If I do something like this, you will lose the screen, I think. Yeah. Let's try again. If I try here and I go Writer. No video. I should just change something like this so it look less broken. Okay, open. You still don't like it, huh? Okay, so that worked. Okay, cool. So now open. Ah, there it is. Okay. I'm going to this project.
open this. Okay, let's give it a try. So now I plug that again. And hopefully things will follow. Oh my god. Okay, it took time, but then it's coming back. Okay, so now let's go with hyper monitor and go open that top-down view. Cool, let's do it. I know it needs to do twice. And I go apply and save and quit. Cool, so now I could go back in my corner and we are in this project. Okay. So should we try to keep it in .NET 10? So we are right now in .NET 9. Should I put 10? Now I'm lost because I'm not used to use this editor. Okay, so add a configuration, edit configuration, no run configuration. Okay, add a new one. It's a .NET project. Whoa, why is so... Maybe I should have opened it as a project instead of a folder. Let's do that instead. Okay, let's open. And let's open the solution. Yes, in this window. Man, we started, created a new project, we ran it, we look at it, it was looking good. Then like we start writing code, and then when we finish writing code, it's okay, let's run it again, and it didn't work. Okay. So build succeed. And it's writer, decompiler, legal notice, accept. Yes. Oh yeah, it's true, I didn't use my key yet. Wait, what? What? Okay, let's stop. Oh man. It was running with .NET 10, so I will switch back to .NET 10. It was working earlier. But now we're having issue with like the program file. Yay! Like I don't know why it doesn't like the app here.
It was working perfectly fine before. Oh, and I'm all transparency again. It's not that. It's this. This. Why are you still... That was weird. So if I'm here, you see that. So, okay, if I'm here and I'm do this. Okay, now it's stay correct. Okay, cool. Okay, so if I go here, oh, it was in the service provider, the error? No. Here it's still the app that was causing issue. So if we go back in the settings of our project, and oh yeah, now I'm here. How can I edit the project? Edit. Unload. Reload the project, unload the project. So now I want to edit the file. Can I edit the file? No. Oh, yes. Okay, let's put back 10. Let's close that. So now let's load the project. Let's compile it. Let's build it. Oh, we smell good. My wife is doing some eating or something. Where is the build icon here? Terminal, service, debug, run. Where do we build? Where is the icon for build? This? Build. Wait. Oh. Oh, okay. Cool. So it did build. It's building. And I should register. Okay, so now let's just run it. No debug, just like run. Oh wait, it's complaining about... It doesn't want... Oh man, I'm tired. Hey, hello from... sorry if I miss your message from YouTube. Which language this is? It's C#. So it's still complaining about missing .NET 10, but we know it's there. And for some reason, if I have .NET, if I switch to .NET 10, the app is not working for something that I don't know, that I don't get. And if I try to install it, it says that I already have .NET. So if I close this, so that was the mud pages. Okay, so now we have .NET. Let's go and move you here. So I have .NET 10. It's like, cool, I want .NET 10. I'm on Linux, package manager instruction. It won't work for me, but that's fine. Let's try it since I'm on ARC, I'm on Omarkey. So I have like the .NET install script, that's what I use. Right, if we go here in download, that's what I have from last week. I can delete it. I can delete that. I think I did install Podman, so I'm fine with that. Oops, I want to do this. Okay. Okay, so I did open a new tab. So Debian, no, I'm on None of those. So I need to use, I could install it with Snap, but I think it was not working. So the best is the script or the manual. Maybe I should do manual, but script, you do this. Do I have winget? Let's try if I have winget. Interesting. Oh no, it's this. Okay. I want to move to here. Okay, so now I could do this. Do I have winget? I don't have winget. So let's try with the curl. That's what I thought. Right, so now I have the file. I should have, if I list that, I have the file here. I don't like having it here, so let's keep it here for now. Oh no, like I want to move it in my download folder. So this, and then we move into the download folder. Attention, .02. What? Oh my god, Lurky Dev. Wow. Wow. I guess it will be the biggest loser. You're right. Okay, now we need to do a CH mode. Like, why would I risk it? Also, now let's go to that folder. So now if I look, I have it here. So now I could do this, you know, make it executable. Wonderful. And you know what? Let's run latest. Because usually I go with channel. But let's do latest, since it's .NET 10 that is not working right now. And it says, hey, it's already there. So I guess I need x64 Alpine, x64. But I don't know what to do with that after. Oh, step one. You know what I think I will do, since I'm running on a 2 machine. What I will do is I can stay with you, so we'll go just in this view, and I will reboot my laptop, and maybe it will fix the problem. Let's do that. I'm rebooting right now. I mean, I can show you. I'm rebooting. Oh, let's drop while I reboot.
We had friends on YouTube today, though I was slow at seeing them, unfortunately. Ah, maybe I had some update. It's taking, like, usually it doesn't look like it's frozen. I think my laptop is not going well. Maybe I need a new laptop. That's what, oh, I missed the Black Friday. It's a good laptop. I don't need a new laptop. I don't know why it's all glitchy. So maybe it was just update pending. So let's bring it back. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. I turn off the... What was that? Okay. Okay, so now computer is up. Now you can see it, so I need to see it too. I still have my mouse. Look like it's working. Let's open the terminal and laugh. Should I open like a poll? What do you think will show up? Blue screen of that. No, I'm on Linux, so there's no blue screen. There's other kind of crash, but no blue screen. How can I do like a poll? Let's do a poll. Will it be .NET 8 or .NET 10? Is it complex to do a poll? I thought it was easy. Oh, manage poll. Create a new poll. Question. I will give you 2 minutes. Time to vote, people. What do you think? What do you think will show up when I do .NET info? I'll do that after. Let's see what will happen. Meanwhile, let's open VS Code. Oh. Like 3 times, wonderful. 1 time was enough. Or maybe I will spoil. Shouldn't do that. So I have a few times everybody did vote or not? I don't want to extend it too much, but I just want to give it. Okay. Hey, Sony, hello, how are you? My computer like we started today, we decided to use MudBlazer instead of like Fluent UI, just to try something different. So create the project, we ran it. I was like, cool. Like, you know, like I created a new project, noticed that it was .NET 9, so I was like, oh, let's do .NET 10. Look, if I do .NET Info, have .NET 10 install, I have both. So let's do that. Open the project, we did run it. I was like, okay, it looks cool, so let's, you know, do that. So went back in VS Code, put all the code work on our like grid and stuff, and copy some services, and then try to run it again, and then VS Code was like, no, you don't have .NET 10, you need to put it in .NET 9. So okay, we try many things. That's okay, you know what, let's put it back to .NET 9. Then Visual Studio say, I don't understand that project, I cannot execute it. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, and you said mostly it will be what's .NET? I'm scared now. It says .NET 9. So the second vote was .NET 9. So base path is this. Why? Why it's that now? That's not how I said it. One thing I was asked to do was which Linux? Forgot how it's spelled. It's the H, right? Like this. No. Oh, CH. I put a second. What? Oh, I typed the C. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Oh man. So I don't know what to do. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I know what to do. I can switch. So I cannot do .NET 9 anymore. And now that the SDK 10 is present, I could do that. So I could do install, and then let's say development, and I say .NET, and it will install .NET 10. But I can only have one with that method. So now if I do this, it's there. Cool. So let's do here. Oh, wonderful. Now you know everything. I won't do too many bad words. You still see through, right? Okay, now it's okay. So now this project, let's make sure. Oh, like we're not in the good project. I don't want this project. I want the frame fisher.
I think it's very funny because I just finished the book Heretic Fishing, so and the guy in that book, his name is Fisher. So okay, so we did clean. What? Well, now it's, oh, maybe I just, okay, let's reopen VS Code though. VS Code was open already when we had our install. Let's open VS Code. What? Now it's complaining about the other way around? The current SDK does not target 10. Oh, either target 9 or lower. What? No. No, I don't want, I want to get out of that sync. I don't want to sync anymore. Yeah, perfect. Don't sync. Oh, man.
Yay!
So if I do .NET build, I guess I need to go in the good solution in the folder. If I do this and then do in here, if I do a .NET build, it will work. Using .NET 10. If I do .NET run, oh yeah, I need the project. So I do this .NET run and then dash dash project, and then I do Fisher. Let's go frame Fisher / frame Fisher project. Hey. Hello from India. So we have people all around, but isn't it like oh, it's the morning for you? Is it the morning? But it's super early morning, right? What time it is for you, Prithvi 2111? So if I try to just .NET run, it's complaining about this again. The app. and doesn't know this, the web application. Sorry, Dev, you're too efficient. Yeah, it's 4 a.m. And now you're on. No, it doesn't work. I still didn't fix it. Oh, it means Earth. That's cool. Let's uninstall it. And let's reinstall it. Oh, cool. You're a computer student. Computer science student, sorry. So fail to restore the NuGet package. So we still have that problem here. But it was working all good earlier. But now it just don't know about my .NET stuff. And I guess if we do .NET, look, I do like this. And now we only see 10. We don't see 9. Which here are you in, Prithvi? I'm sorry, I probably butcher your name. What did I want to do? I want to do this. Still need to do this, and let's go even one more. Right, so now we are at the project level. Oh, so good luck with your exam. No problem. See you later. Well, like not later, but Friday I will be streaming. Now here it's getting a little bit late, and I'll probably try to do something else. Oh man, using the launch setting. Oh, in the launch setting we were. That's the thing. Okay, let's go like this. Let's open VS Code. Let's close you. Let's change this. Let's, in fact, can I just delete that? What if I rename you?
right? Okay. That's my project, .NET 10. Okay. If I go here, it looks good. Of course not. Okay, let's do this. Not sure why suddenly it cannot figure out. Let's rebuild. So it's working, and it's using .NET 10. Okay. So now it's complaining about this. Can I do that? I should fix it. The thing is, oh man. The thing is, if I run that, it will say it works. But I'm pretty sure on Linux you need more. Let's do this. So let's try again. So build failure. So when I do F5, there's a build failure. So when I do F5, what I'm calling that. .NET root. Let's go here. If we open a terminal, so let's open it into NeoVim. It's in my bash RC. So it's here. So .NET root, it's home.net. Could have a look here in case there's some stuff. Let's copy that. Where is your folder in .NET 10? It's in the dot folder, so let's close that. It's here, so if I do ls and then I do .NET, it's here. Right, and I wonder now if I have this also. Was it in share? I think it was in the share. No, .NET. Yeah. And SDK. SDK. And now it's 9 only here. Okay, and if I do cat this file, no, I didn't remember. You're trying on Omarchi? Honestly, I love the UI. Check the chat. I missed something? I love Omarchi, but yeah. Drop. Grovosaurus 97, that's pretty good. La variable d'environnement, ensuite .NET. Okay, where are your folder? I'm trying Omarchi. Did I miss something else? Because if I do .NET info, whoops. Okay, so anyway, so that's one thing. So now to enforce the HTTP, like doing that on Linux, it doesn't work usually. Linux distro differ systemically. .NET certificate are trust, while .NET Serve inspect the broadly. Ubuntu and Fedora specifically aims and assure Fire and Chromium. Well, that's for Docker. Yeah, so it's this. So if I do this, it's already installed. So let's do it again. Maybe I need to do it again since I'm now in .NET 10. Okay, so look like it should be better. So let's reload this. Let's do a development reload, just to make sure it catch the last. Yeah, I know, like that's why, like I did it like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago I used mise en place, but before I was installing .NET using the .NET install script, right? If you go, I was using that script, the .NET install, because of that. But later I say, you know what, let's go full Omarchi in this, because like sometime I was doing .NET 9, sometime I was doing 10, so that's why I used this, so I could install both. But just like a few minutes ago I said, you know what, let's go Omarchi and like scrap my environment completely, and I will just do it the Omarchi way because it works great. Is it true? No, what I found out is when you use mise en place the Omarchi way, like it doesn't work great with Rider. So if you use the script, it was working well, but I don't know, like somehow I screwed up something, I guess. I don't know. It's just weird. I had a great time in .NET 9, and when I try to switch in .NET 10, it's the second, like I reinstalled everything because of that. Did I? No, I think I wiped everything, not reinstall, but like delete the folder and like the variable and stuff, and then start from fresh. But still, like, and it was working fine for like a few weeks. We worked Friday and everything was fine. And today is just kind of like, boop, brain fart. I don't know what you're talking about. now it doesn't want to work at all. Oh man. But like, yeah, so in VS Code with mise en place, if you don't screw up, it will work. But then you only have one version. You cannot have like some project in version 9 and other in 10. Oh, man. So look like my environment is, and also the problem was with mise en place. Like if you're installing, so like the thing is, mise en place work great for .NET, but then if you want to use Aspire, Aspire is looking .NET elsewhere. That was also one of my problem. Obviously, I wanted to use Aspire, and Aspire you need to install to run that little script, and it was not working well. So even though I love the look of like how things work and with Omarchy, I may return to Debian or something like that, just because I need .NET. it's a developer laptop, and I cannot work, so I don't know. Oh man. I was going so well. I mean, what time is it? Like, I'm hungry now. It's late. I think I will wrap it up, Cloudy's chat. Let's look at the biggest loser of the day. Was it Lurky Dev that landed with a score of like 0 dot something? Oh, and it's true, I forgot to set up a project. Interesting. So GT landed today, but not with the biggest score, 48. That's kind of good anyway. And then SurdyDev 73. We're already pretty high. Oh, but Lurky had like a better score. I got 94, so I'm again today the human with the best score. Oh wait, oh, there's no biggest loser today. Interesting. Interesting. I will try to fix my computer. Otherwise, what we can do for Friday is I can work on a different computer. Maybe like I have a Debian machine set up, so I could like just remote desktop to that one or plug it. I think I could just like plug it and use that, or work from my. If we're working on those projects, those are kind of work related, so I can do it on my Mac. Could be different too, but I want my laptop to be working. It pissed me off. You cannot imagine how I'm boiling inside. Anyway, I feel like it's again and again the same problem.
So I wish you all a good end of the day or day, and I will see you on Friday for another stream. Hopefully coding and not battling. So with that, bye-bye.